Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between various applications. Okay, the time required for this is a little bit less than 5 minutes. Okay, if you're one of those people who usually have more than one program open at a time, Windows 7 has a great new feature for you. You can use the application switcher feature of Windows 7 to switch between the various applications. Okay? First thing first, we better get some applications open so we can mess with them. I'm going to come here, start, all programs, accessories, notepad, and I'm going to come down here to my quick launch buttons, and I have Windows Media Player. And I wasn't going to open this, but now I'm going to. So I'm opening up Internet Explorer too. Okay, the first thing you want to do is hold down the Alt button. Nothing happens right away, that's not a big deal, but you have to hold it down and keep holding it. Then you hit Tab. Okay, and if you see there in the middle of the screen, the Tab button has brought up this small pop-up menu, and you can see everything that's there. First we got Internet Explorer, Media Player, Notepad. This is the piece of the application making this video, my docs menu, and this piece here is the greatest feature for me, and that is the desktop, because how many of us have had like Word open and we're working on our doc and then we need Excel for something, or PowerPoint, or whatever. We could come down here to the bar, especially if we put them on our quick launch bar, and click what's open. Or you can go into Start and click what you need. Either way, but hey, Alt and Tab lets you move right to anything that's open, or with this desktop feature, it brings your desktop to the front and you can get to any of your icons there on the desktop. So, we've got the menu button open here. What if I hit Tab again? Oh man, now I'm at Notepad. Now I'm at the converter. I can bebop through all of them. And now I'm not hitting Tab. Okay? You need to be holding down your scroll. This is the other little feature. You can hold down your scroll if you've got the scroll button on your mouse and move through it too. If you're one of those people that, I have really stiff fingers, so hitting Alt and Tab at the same time is a little bit uncomfortable for me. So you can do that. A feature that is different between Windows 7 Starter and Windows Home Edition is that if I was to let go of Alt, it gets us back to the screen. But in Windows Home Edition, if you held down the Windows key and Tab, it would bring up a screen very similar to what we saw, but in 3D. Okay, you cannot, just like when you're holding down Alt, you cannot release the Windows key. And I'm going to go back and show you the Alt, Tab. So now imagine these in 3D with them moving back and forth. It's just a fantastic feature. To go through this, you remember you're holding down Windows and Tab. So you hold down Windows and then Tab through. Okay, till you find what you want, and it brings it to the front. Okay, some really interesting things I found out about this is that this is a pretty low maintenance feature. It's not, you don't have to do anything to keep it up and running. It's just a really great utility. I hope this was helpful.